Hey everyone, quite often I get asked what grows in winter, and it's a pretty broad question, but we obviously grow lots of stuff in winter, lots of salad things, greens, lettuce, spinach, all that sort of stuff. This is our spinach at the moment, our baby spinach. And it's ready to pick. Just keep picking off the bigger leaves and leave the little ones and they come back. So yeah, this is completely outside. This is just bird netting over this area. So there's no protection at all from frost. There is walls around the whole area here, so it does have a little bit of protection from wind, but it's still quite windy in here. And no, I don't cover anything when we're going to have a frost. It is what it is, and what survives is meant to be here. So, baby spinach, no problem at all with frosts. Happy as Larry. Lettuce, they look a bit manky. They're our old lettuce. I need to pull them out, but look, I've got new lettuce. I grew from seed over on my propagation bed over here. Probably about 4 weeks ago. What's it say on the tag? April 24. So I propagate them in this bed. It's the wicking bed, so it's damp all the time. And then from this bed, I have transplanted them out into their permanent location, which is here. And these are little gem lettuce. Beautiful little lettuce, easy to grow. Once again, don't mind the frost. They'll grow happily through the frost. Sometimes you get a little bit of yellowing, but that's more that leaves been on the ground. Now, interestingly enough, I also, at the same time I planted those little gems in that bed, I also planted some in the hothouse. So I'm going to go walk around and show you in the hothouse, just as a comparison to show you what a little bit extra heat does, just for the lettuce. So this is the same little gems planted in the hothouse, and look, they're probably double the size. They look amazing. There's no yellowing. Interestingly enough, I noticed today this sprinkler mustn't be working so well, because this bed's pretty dry, whereas this one's all moist. So there's the size difference, that one to that one, with plenty of water versus pretty dry. Still actually really healthy, but just stunted their growth a bit, which sometimes can be a good thing, because you can actually stagger the readiness of the lettuce. So these are going to be ready first, and then a few weeks later these ones. So it's interesting what you can do by just holding off on the water a little bit. But yeah, the experiment was to see how much better they would be in a hothouse versus outside in the wild. And look, there's not a huge amount of difference, frost or not. The little gem lettuce is a real tough variety, tastes amazing and looks good. So there you have it.